Your love, I'm gonna make you mine. There's something special about your love. I think it's one of a kind.
Good morning. It is Saturday, May 14th. It is Mission Surprise Daniel Day. Yesterday was his birthday, if you don't know already. And it's not that I didn't plan for his birthday, but I just kind of knew the vibe. I knew he was kind of going to be chill. I knew he was going to really be down for like, oh, I want to do X, Y, and Z, yada, yada, yada. I told you this birthday kind of was, for both of us, kind of one of those like, I don't want to do much. I want to kind of stay home and chill. So I didn't plan anything for yesterday for his birthday. Yesterday, I kind of cooked some of his favorite foods. I did a homemade pizza for lunch, and then for dinner, we did like lamb with a side of mushrooms. So yeah, he ended up enjoying the day, and it was Friday the 13th, so we got to watch a scary movie. We didn't finish it, but we were watching, the name of it is, I think it's Power. I can't remember, with Regina Hall in it. But yeah, it's a good movie. Okay, so today is the day where I get to gift him his real birthday gift. Like I said, yesterday it was just kind of like family time, but today I get to give him like the real deal. So I'm on a group in Facebook called Air for Each Other, which started out as a group to support Disney cast members that were furloughed or laid off altogether. So there's still people that are still laid off, or I don't think they technically have any furloughs, but they were laid off. So there's a lot of people with their skill, their Disney skill in customer service, they've now established businesses for themselves. So one company, the name of it is called Launch Massage. I've included the information below. They are coming today to give us a couple massage. So it was something that we've been talking about. I was actually looking into it. I looked at a couple resorts in Siesta Key, in Jensen Beach, in Cocoa Beach, and even some places in Orlando, and a lot of the massages were like $200-$300. And the thing with a massage for us is that we want to get a massage and we want to knock out like right after. So it's like, yeah, get a resort stay. But the hotels, I don't know if it was this weekend in particular. Some of the hotel rooms were not that bad. There were some Opal hotels, Opal Resorts, I think is the collection name. And they were pretty affordable on the east coast of Florida. On the west coast of Florida, they were like twice the price of the east coast. But the east coast currently right now is having riptide warnings. So I literally was watching, like maybe they'll be lifted, but they weren't going to be lifted until Sunday. So I was like, you know, it's going to be raining, it's going to be riptides. We're not going to be able to enjoy any of the outside beach stuff. So I considered going to the West Coast and staying at one of the hotels over there, but it was crazy. So we had to scratch that idea, and I said the best option is still to do the massages. So I looked at JW Marriott and the Ritz-Carlton, Grand Lakes, and they were expensive too. And like I said, for a stay, even a one-night stay, it didn't really make sense. So I opted out of that and decided to use Launch Massage. Again, these are ex-Disney cast members that have created a niche for themselves. So I love to support that. And they still give you that Disney customer service, but now they're making the money for themselves and supporting themselves with their own business. Right now from the group, I've only kind of just supported a baker. So the person that baked Kellan's birthday cake, which I don't even know if I have pictures. I took pictures of that, but that lady I got from the group as well. But I'm gonna go shower and get relaxed and ready and prepared. Right now I'm making some breakfast for Dan when he wakes up, and I kind of had to tell him already, like, oh, something's gonna happen tomorrow, but he doesn't really know the details of what's gonna happen. I mean, it's 12:15. It is almost 11 o'clock. So yeah. Amazing customer service. I'll just kind of highlight something that they sent on their intake form. And not all spas do this. I've seen this at a couple of spas. I've been blessed to have spa services all over Miami, South Florida. I've had them at Avita Spa, hotels in Key West, more than one cruise spa, massage in Jamaica at the Strawberry Hills Spa. So I've literally had maybe 10 or 12 different spa services throughout the years. And this one, it really is kind of, they like knock it out of the park. They're really good with customer service. They're asking you questions about your medical history. They ask you, what is your pressure preference? If you have any allergies or sensitivities. This is actually one of my favorite things that they ask is, what are your goals for this treatment session? A lot of times it's just, you know, like, oh, I need relaxation, or there's like heavy hitting areas that I need you to kind of focus on. They ask you areas of discomfort. So here, I kind of just circled where I want them to focus on, but I do want a full body massage. So those are all things that you communicate with your masseuse, because this is a very intimate kind of connection that you're having with someone that you might not know. So being able to be comfortable and communicate, leave me alone in these areas, I'm ticklish, or yeah, focus on these areas. So that's kind of what I see that they're asking. I really do appreciate that they kind of ask these questions. So I'm gonna give this to the masseuse, which his name is Daniel, and he's gonna look it over, and he will probably still have like a one-on-one talk about what I wrote down here. And then there's a general liability release form, which, like I said, a lot of spas do kind of do these kind of things, but they might be when you walk in and they give you like a brief, like, oh, answer these questions, answer those questions, and you sign off. But this was really in depth, and it kind of hit like the perfect questions about like medical history, so that they know, you know, if you have, if you're pregnant. They always ask if you're pregnant. They really kind of steer you away from getting any massages in your first trimester. After the second or third trimester, you're kind of like, okay. My sister did a pregnancy massage one time. We did a couples massage, and she told them, she was, I think, in her third trimester, and they had a pregnancy pillow, and they positioned her on the side. It was really cool to see, like, okay, this is kind of what they do. So I've never had it a massage done when I was pregnant, but to the women out there, they're gonna ask you that, definitely. So I'm excited. He's about to arrive really soon to kind of show you the experience. And again, check out their information. It will be in the description below. Dan, are you excited?
I am. I'm a little distracted, but I am kind of excited to do this.
You're happy for your birthday gift?
Yeah. I think I need it. Going through something else where I think I might be a little anemic right now, too.
Anemic.
Lisa is ignoring me when I'm saying this.
Let me tell you something.
When I say stuff,
I've been anemic since I was like 14, okay? So that's my regular. So you anemic for a little bit, you good, okay? You feeling a little weak, you tired, but oh, here.
So basically, let me tell you what it's like to actually have like a nurse as your like spouse.
You are.
You think that you're like, oh my God, they'd be like always concerned with you. Nah, you actually get like, you all right. You all right. You're like not coming off.
You all right.
You all right.
All right. So launch massage.
One game of the season that matters is actually happening, but birthday gift is way more important than that. Yeah, so Lisa had spoke to our masseuse Daniel about setting up possibly upstairs, and it looks like he's getting set up in our bedroom, which is gonna be awesome. Our bedroom has a lot of extra space that we didn't fill up with any extra furniture, so behind the scenes on the magic. So there's a table being set up. There's our masseuse, which will have a link to his information in the video below. Please support. And here is the table being set up. Let's see if I can grab a bite to eat before I get started here.
Not only his birthday, my birthday was May 3rd, so. Okay. So this is like our
happy double birthday.
That's how it kind of works. It's
good.
like Yeah, this is your birthday present, but it's kind of mine too.
That's quick for your comfort. I see shoulders, hands, focus areas.
Yeah, neck, shoulders. Hands is more a recent thing, but yeah, like those more focus areas.
Gotta be honest, I'm getting really anxious. I'm like, I want my massage. Dan is going in, he's getting like a serious massage. I really hear Daniel, the masseuse, giving Dan like a really good like massage. I hear like, oh yeah, you know, like that is really helping his shoulder. Dan always complains of like shoulder and neck pain, so I can't do that with my little hands. But Daniel's really doing a really good job. So I'm excited. I'm like, I want my massage. But I'm going to be patient and let the birthday boy really enjoy this massage. But again, great customer service. Really like meticulous about like, you know, just their flow, their intake, allowing us to ask questions. I'm ready for it. I haven't had a massage in 2 or 3 years now, so I'm really like, I need a massage, which especially when it comes to nursing, that is one of the self-care recommendations that I have, that like, yo, relieve the stress, you know, get out all those like knots and knots that you may have, especially when you're pulling and pushing patients. Massage is always like a really good like, hey, take care of yourself, self-care kind of treatments. Like I said, I want Dan to get his massage, but I'm ready for mine. I'm ready. You guys ready? I'm ready! Hey, if you guys are ready, make sure you click the link below and schedule an appointment for Launch Massage in Central Florida. Even I'm not really sure how far they're willing to go, but send them a message and find out.
Okay, so I am fresh off my massage. Totally forgot about the game, everything. I am feeling rejuvenated. It's Lisa's turn now, so she's gonna go in there. I'm going to try to stay awake because Kellan is trying to take a nap now. Full review at the toe of suggestions and everything for this, but excellent for me. At first massage that I've ever had them use like a massager, like an actual gun in there. It was incorporated very well into it. So anyway, I'm going to go, and I might not even turn on the game, to be honest. I don't want it to stress me back out, but I'm downstairs. I'm probably gonna turn it on and probably doze off. See you guys in a few.
This is the face of relaxation. This is my freshly massaged, relaxed state. My arm feels literally 10 times better. I'm a little stuffy because I think when I had my head down, my adenoids kind of swole up, but that's just my seasonal allergies. But this, when I tell you, one of the best massages I've ever had. Amazing. Amazing. Dan, I think, ended up taking a nap. He got a deep tissue massage. Amazing. Great job. Okay.
Hey, guys.
Great job. I'm telling you. I'm telling you. We're going to do the official review and all that. But I kind of, woo, relaxed. Relaxed. Look, I can move my arm. Remember I told you I was having that pain? A round of applause.
Very much in the after effects of this massage. It's crazy how much you don't realize that you're like, yeah, how much your body is just limited in motion, or you get used to tenseness and all those things. But full review is coming.
He comes with all his equipment. Setup was nice and easy.
And very comfortable for something portable. I mean,
Yeah.
you would think that usually when you go to
Really like nice and squishy.
when you go to like the spas and you see those tables, you always get the idea that it's like a very permanent setup. So you can watch in live in like real time how quickly he can break down and set up. It was very different to have it in-house.
Yes, which I was telling him.
This is an amazing feature.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So I already told him we're gonna book for July for our boardwalk villas stay.
Yeah.
But he might be getting ready for baby number 2 at that time. So we're gonna book, but hopefully he'll be able to make it. If not,
Cross fingers.
definitely after that.
If not, we will find a way to survive in the boardwalk.
I know, right?
I think.
A world of difference. I'm telling you, a world of difference. I like I said, I don't think I'm exaggerating. I probably had about like 20 different massages, 15 to 20 different massages in my life. And this one, I felt like, you know, he was open to altering. And again, because of this service, and he is coming into our household.
20?
Yeah. I didn't think about it. Like, I didn't think about it until I was naming. Yeah. I'm bougie. Sorry.
Into a local economy. A lot of people will bash you about coming and not doing anything outside of the bubble, the kingdom bubble.
Yeah.
But this is a good way to be able to still pamper yourself and still really not have to go out of your way to pay into the local economy. So that's what I would say. Anyway, I'm going to go try and enjoy the last like 15 to 30 minutes before Kellan wakes up.
That is true.
Not that I don't love daddy time, but I'm a little like into relax mode, so I'm gonna go lie down before.
Now he's ready for it. Daddy time.
Crazy. Crazy girl.
No, hold up. We are talking about this right now. Why did we do this? Okay.
This is how
Look,
I know you don't know how to share.
No, it's
I
different.
Say this, you and your sister, I don't know why, we're not taught how to share.
Can I tell them what's going on? Can I tell them what's going on? Okay.
Don't wake up my child when you're
There's a cookie, right?
This is absolutely
There's
perfect. Do not wake up my
one
child.
full cookie sandwich, and then there was one that had half of it, and I was nibbling on the half, right? He went and eat off my half one, and then nibble down on the other one, and then said, "Why don't eat this one?"
So
You should have left the half.
one.
The half one that I was eating, leave that. You have the whole big full one. Finish that.
That's not even fresh. I am giving you a piece of a fresh one now.
Why does it? Why in your man logic did you think that was okay?
It has nothing to do with man logic. That's called sharing.
That's not sharing.
That is literally.
You had a full one to eat by yourself. Eat it.
And I'm giving you some of mine, hence we're sharing.
No, I don't want to eat some of yours. I'm gonna eat it. But I'm just saying, I had bitten off on one already. Why would you want to take from that?
Okay, are we co-workers or something? Because you're acting like yo.
It doesn't have anything. It don't have nothing to do with germs. It's just I was eating that one. There was a full one. Eat the full one. That don't make sense. Why? Why? Did you find friends? Yay! Outside, chilling. I just went into this house to go look at the layout. Thing is, it looks like our house, look, but it's completely different. The upstairs is kind of like, it's trippy how weird the layout is compared to this one. This one has a 3-bedroom with a loft, so it was interesting to see the layout because, like I said, I looked at it and I was like, oh, it's the same house, but I'm like, no, it's different. So I sent Dan in there to go look at it. To be honest, we were very reluctant about walking and looking at the homes because, you know, if you know, you know. There have been situations where a person has walked inside a home more than once. That wasn't a home that was theirs, and situation ensued. So like I said, if you know, you know. Okay, so it is the end of the day. We're gonna eat dinner. I have here some like beef chuck boneless roast that I did in the Instapot. I'm gonna make like tacos with that tomorrow, so I just kind of prepped it. I did 30 minutes on the meat and stew setting, so it is really nice and soft, but I'm gonna shred it up and then probably put some more barbecue sauce on it, put it in the oven to kind of crisp up the edges, and make tacos out of that tomorrow. But tonight we are going to eat some lamb and mashed potatoes with a nice little bit of salad. This is a prepackaged chop kit one. I'll see you when it's plated. All right, it's dinner time. This is the lamb with a garlic, herb, butter, mashed potato, and a cabbage, kale, red cabbage, regular cabbage, kind of Thai salad. Has some edamame and quinoa, one of them. Let's eat! I know I said I was gonna eat, but I have to show you this amazing cooking job. Like, Dan literally knows how to cook lamb and steak like perfectly. To my liking. You might not like it, but look at that. Look how juicy that is. What? Look at that. It is beautiful. Always does an amazing job. It's so nice and juicy. Thank you, my love.
You're welcome.
I know we look far, but we are watching Batman over there.
We're trying for the second time to watch this movie.
Second or third?
Second.
Second time? Okay. I hope you're having a good dinner.
I think it's one of a kind. There's something special about your love. I want it all the time.